Benga boy.
Traveling violation.
Paluman. Dapat
Over. Ano mat?
hindi tiniyot. Yun o. Pasa pa rin.
10 seconds shot clock. Rebound 42. Three 2 points.
Assist Mike.
Rebound 32.
Uy!
Rebound away. Steal number 7.
Steal.
23 2 points.
23.
Ano lang?
23?
32.
Score sa sir.
42 2 points.
David. Si Reyes. Yun. Basic rebound.
Out of bounds.
Majority, siya yung naka-assign dun eh. Mike. Oy!
Rebound of 8.
Mike. Rebound.
Assist ni Mike.
23 2 points.
Magandang laban.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Defensive rebound 42. Steal number 32. 32 2 points. Assist 31.
Maganda pasahan.
8 2 points.
Sir!
Lock, sir.
Sayang. Pumasok.
Foul si Paul.
Bus foul.
Foul number 8.
Ilan na?
Maganda, nasa momento.
Wala.
Sok.
Ball 37.
37 ah. Lagi ng red ball ah. Patay. Turnover.
Substitution.
Ano yung turnover?
Turnover.
Substitution.
Time out. Tatlo.
Tanggap po, tatlo.
Rebound. Size. Ano? Una?
Gala sa ispa.
Lang eh.
Tapos to.
Mga matapos.
Rebound 85.
Supply DJ.
Mga 6-20.
Tres.
Out of bounds.
Oh, boss, nabigay na boss. Nabigay na boss eh.
Geraldus.
Nice.
44 2 points, assist 59.
Assist. Mang. Dikit laban. Baka mo dito ah. Pass.
47 2 points. Ten second shot clock.
Huli.
5 second shot clock.
Oh, ba? Uy! Ano?
Foul basket. Foul number 47. Foul basket.
Counted. Mike. Stop.
Substitution.
Taas. Sige, sir.
Sir, pag pumasok yan.
Pumasok. Ay, hindi pumasok.
Red ball, sir ah.
Mike.
Start mo yung time nyo.
Offensive rebound.
Rebound 47.
Foul.
Foul. Number 44. Substitution. Substitution.
First foul pa lang. Basket. Ayos.
Handball possession arrow.
Blue.
Team Bronson. Still 47.
James Post.
Foul number 12.
Basket. Mark. Basket.
10-second shot clock.
Basket.
Out of bounds. Out of bounds.
Lock ba yun? Pre?
Hindi ah. Wala. Out of bounds.
Low, no?
32 2 points.
Good, good.
2 points. Foul basket.
Basket na naman. Mike.
185.
Second foul.
Second foul.
Second foul, invite.
Mike. Panis.
32 2 points.
Assist.
50 seconds.
Nice art.
24 2 points.
Last shot.
10-second shot clock. Fifty seconds.
Please.
10 seconds. Two points. And third quarter.
Ay, hindi na sir. Hindi na. Wala na. Wala nang ganun sir.
Back to the ball game.
Announce mo pre. 3.
Team Bronson. 3 remaining timeout.
Tatlo rin.
Team Ant-Man. 3 remaining timeout.
Tama na yan.
Quarter.
Ball number 23.
23. Tingnan natin kung ilan na. Si Sir 23. Third na pre.
Third personal foul number 23. Third foul.
Basa pa.
Pwesto M.
10-second shot clock.
Nice pass.
points for the board.
Ichi, Ichi. Langit na oh. Lomar, Lomar.
One winning violation. Okay, 2 points.
Pag-asa pa. Pag-asa pa.
Pwede pa yan, no?
Mahal hata, sir.
Pawn number 24.
Ayan.
Ano, sir, sis?
Pwede pa ba?
Pwede daw ba? Pwede ba? Oh, pwede pa. Sir, pwede. Sam.
Paul si 24.
Substitution.
24. Score mo lang yan.
Easy sa ano kasi.
Sa? Trabaho.
May meeting siya.
Out of bounds.
Too much muscle.
Three.
Lambang isa.
Ten. 42.
Yes, sir.
Three.
Okay, sir.
Lock. 23, 2 points.
Sir.
24, 2 points. Time out, blue.
Tatlo pa time out. Tatlo pa time out.
Five. Lumamang bigla.
Sunod yung ano, atake mo.
Three.
3.
Yan na lang. Huli.
Rebound 29.
Down.
Still. Number 13. Foul basket. Foul number 44.
44. Second.
Second foul number 44.
Offensive rebound.
Out of bounds.
Ganda naman.
Stay number 8. 24 to points.
Turnover. Yes, sir. Dead ball, sir. Sabihin ako Dead ball po, dead ball.
10 second shot lang.
Offensive
29 to points.
rebound.
Libre.
10 second shot lang. Held ball.
Ha? Jambon?
Possession out of blue.
Abaw.
Substitution. Substitution.
Stop. Sub na, sir.
Sir eh.
Sub.
Substitution.
Pinabayaan, no?
Rebound 47.
Uy!
Bring the ball to points.
Kaya baliktad.
10 second shot left. Still 85.
Still.
Still 32.
Pinasok ko.
32 to points.
Hindi, si Mike.
Buti na lang, magaling ka.
Ano natin yan? Muna natin yung action.
Ten second shot left.
Foul? Mas foul.
Foul number 44.
Third na.
Third personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution.
It's 13. Fourth quarter na, no? Tres. Rebound.
Rebound 23.
Foul.
Foul number 42.
Time out. Time out na
Dalawa
break.
na.
Time out, Team Bronson.
Isa na lang. Time out.
Dalawa na.
Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Second foul number 42.
3 time out. 1 time out.
Ito. Pinapapasa ito.
Pasok.
Start mo lang. Galing ka. Mahusay ka nga talaga.
3 minutes na lang.
Wala, huwag mo pilit. Ibaba. Ganun.
10 seconds shot clock.
Pinara.
Rebound 32.
Patay.
Ah, huwag mo yun.
Uy!
Block number 42. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound 42.
Anak laban. Oh!
Uy! Pasa
Hey,
pala.
2 points.
Pasa pala yun.
Galing ah.
Balo ko titigil.
Alam ko nga rin.
Last 2 minutes. 10 seconds shot clock.
Uy!
Rebound 85.
Block yata yun eh. Nice!
24, 2 points.
House shot. Mark Regan. Uy! Mark Regan.
Ball number 24.
Dalawa na.
Second ball number 24.
Basket.
Start mo kagad yung ano.
Nine. Basket.
Defense, one stop.
Mike.
Oras.
Ba't na?
10 seconds shot clock.
Ano yun?
Foul. Number 59.
59?
1 in for penalty.
Oh, Mike. Paul Mike. Si Mike ay first pa lang.
Wala boss, wala ba?
Palabas, palabas.
Pumasok yan.
Yan. Stop.
Substitution.
Ilang lamang? 6? Chris, dapat. Case down. Kala ko case down. Yun na naman.
24, 2 points.